Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about map data structures that has been introduced in JavaScript ES6. We are going to know what is it and how we can use it. But also make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified about our content. Let's get started. Alright, what is a map? A map, it is a collection of key value pairs. You can see a key and values pairs. To create a map, we are going to create a variable, let's say user info, and we are going to instantiate a map using the map constructor. And as you can see here, let's console our map, user info. You can see in a console you're getting here a map. It is an object. The size is 0. Now, how can we add an item or key within a map? To add a key within a map, user info set, we are going to use the set method provided by the map class. The set method takes two arguments. The first one, it is the key, and the second one is the value or the key. Let's say here, we're going to say here user identity, and then here we're going to pass here an object. It is going to contain the name, let's say Bob, and the gender, male. The second key that we are going to pass to our map, it is going to be user contact. User contact. And here we are going to pass here an email, bob@gmail.com, and here telephone. Telephone, we are going to pass some random numbers here. And now let's console again our map and see what we get in. Here you can see that our map right now only contains two keys, user identity, and the second one, it is user contact. You can see here. Now, how can we grab the value of a given key? To grab or get the value of a given key in a map, we are going to use the get method. Console.log user info.get user identity. Here we are getting the value of the key user identity. You're getting this here, an object which contains two key, name and gender. But also we can get the value of the user contact. You're getting here the value of the user contact key. This is how we can use the get method to retrieve the value of a given key within a map. Now, let's see how we can remove the value of a given key within a map. To remove a value of a given key within a map, we are going to use the delete method. Console, let's say user info.delete. Delete method only takes the key that we want to remove and it returns a boolean here. Let's console delete, let's say does delete, and then here we're going to pass user info delete, and then we are going to pass here the identity, the key that we want to delete. Let's console. Here we are getting true because they are deleting the user identity key within the map. If we pass a key which doesn't exist within our map, we are going to get here false because incorrectly write the user identity, and we are getting here false because this key doesn't exist within our map. Now here let's write a good name, write a good key. Here we are getting true because we just removed the user identity key within our map. And here if we console our user info map, we're gonna get only one key within our map. But also we can iterate through our map using for of loop. Let's see. Let's comment this. Okay. For cons map key of user info. And then here, let's console first map key. You can see we are getting two arrays, and each array contain two items. The first one, it is the key, and the second one, it is the value. You can see user identity here. It is the key and is value here. the key and value, user contacts key and value. It returns an array. Now, how can we retrieve that? Here is our array. It is represented like this, in this form. This is the key and value, like this. This is how the map key variable it is represented. Now, to retrieve value, we can use maybe the structuring cons. We are going to extract data. We are going to say the first one, it is going to be the key, and the second one is the value. We're going to pass here map key, and then here we are going to get access from the key and value. We are getting here object. If you're not familiar about the structuring, I have a video where I talked about it. Go check it out. Now here we are getting here two objects, the user identity and the user contact. Okay, the first key and the value, the second key and the value. Okay, here we can display values. We can even check, for example, we can check if, for example, if key equals to user identity, we are going to console, for example, console.log value.name. We're getting here Bob. We can display even the email value.email. We don't value that we don't have the email key. Gender, getting here gender, and you can do the same thing as for this, the user contact key of our map. That's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.